We are now preparing beetroot halwa. So this is the pulp which I have retained after boiling it and taking the water for making beetroot wine. So it's about 2 kilos now remaining pulp. And for 2 kilos I am using about 650 to 700 grams of sugar, 2 cups of milk, 1 spoon of ghee or clarified butter, little almonds, about 20 almonds cut into strips, and this you can get in the any grocery shop. And this is cashew nuts, about another 20 cashew nut pieces, and little cardamom powder we'll be having. So first we'll fry the cashew nuts in hot ghee, and once it is fried slightly you remove it, same with the almonds, and then I will put in the pulp into this pan and fry it for some time. If you want to see you can have fresh beetroot grated, or if you want to see how I got the pulp, you can go to my beetroot wine recipe. I fried the cashew nuts and the almonds. Now I have put in the pulp, the 2 kilos of pulp in this pan, and frying in the same ghee. I added another 2 tablespoons, and I am going to fry it till the rawness goes. Now because as I said, because it's already boiled, it won't take that long for the rawness to go. So maybe about 5 to 10 minutes or slightly more, but if it was fresh beetroot grated, then it would have taken a longer time for the rawness to go. So you keep frying it. I will come back to you. Once it is fried, the rawness goes, then we will add the milk, 2 cups of milk for this quantity, and then we will allow it to cook on slow fire. Rawness has now gone. So just remember that because we boiled it, made it for beetroot wine, you have the lemon, rind of lemon, and also the ginger. And so if you want to put pieces of ginger and lemon skin of the lemon rind, then you can add it to it. So I am going to add the milk now, 2 cups of milk. So the measure is 2 cups of milk. Mix well, and on slow fire we will allow it to cook. And keep stirring in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. But now, after it becomes dry and soft, then we will add the sugar. The milk has evaporated and the beetroot has become soft, nice and soft. Now I will be adding the sugar, 650 grams to 700 grams sugar, and mix well. And again allow it to cook for some time.
And especially to there is something I saw the place.
And so the sugar is added. Now I will mix till the sugar dissolves. So because of the heat it will dissolve quicker. I'll add cardamom powder. Total 1 cup of ghee. So I am putting the remaining ghee into it. That's about 3 more spoons. Lot of ghee. On a good dish, you have to put the required ingredients. Mix well. So I'm going to mix the cashew nuts and the almonds. Add it to it and mix well and put it off. That's it.